Hello, Atomians. Hi. Good morning to every one of us here, and good morning also to those in Cebu Dream Center, and all those watching online sa YouTube and sa ating Facebook account. Kumusta po kayong lahat dyan? Ako po si Gigi Bugna. I am a certified public accountant by profession. Before joining Atomy, I have worked with one of the top 3 auditing firms in the Philippines, and with USAID and Foster Parents Plan International. So medyo matagal-tagal na rin po, no? And I retired at the age of 46. Ngayon, medyo nasa senior years na tayo. Ito, medyo nasa second chapter of our life na. So, ang Atomy naman po, walang pinipiling edad, walang pinipiling status sa buhay. I think I have learned to love Atomy. That's why andito po ako. So, after retirement, nag-venture na po kami into some entrepreneurial businesses. At dahil ang aking naging work before is with international organizations, humanitarian organizations, medyo na-focus na rin po kami sa cooperatives and foundations. And meron din kaming technical vocational school in Mindoro. So medyo busy rin po, kaya sabi nila, part-time ka lang ba sa Atomy? But no, I'm doing both. Makakatulong po itong mga businesses na ito sa aking Atomy business. So, konting kwento about my journey in Atomy. Actually, in 2016, may nag-approach na po sa akin specifically, to join Atomy. Pero hindi po ako nag-go kasi sabi ko, enough na kami for networking. Ayaw na po at napapaso na kami sa networking. Pero noong 2021, may sponsor, my sister in Abu Dhabi, mapilit siya. So she registered me in May 2021 as a member of Atomy. Still, kahit na-register na niya ako, hindi ko pa rin pinansin. Sabi ko, enough nga for Atomy. So in October 2022, nung bumalik siya, nag-join po kami sa Success Academy. Medyo na-enlighten yung aking pananaw sa Atomy. So out of curiosity, I had my first purchase sa Korea Mall pa, not sa ating local Atomy mall. Bumili po ako ng collagen. Sabi ko, in December, I'm going on a trip to Iloilo. Aakyat kami doon sa Gimbal. I think ang taas-taas nung na yon. So nakapunta kami doon sa resort na yon, and with the help of Hemohim and collagen, nakaya ko po yung 500 steps going up doon sa Gimbal place na yon. And in 3 months time, after joining Success Academies, parang I felt na talagang napakadaling na i-share namin, especially yung toothbrush and toothpaste. No, we started with that in sharing the products of Atomy. That's why in December of 2022, we were promoted to sales master. So, sabi namin, parang nakaka-enjoy na kami. Yeah. But because of the system of Atomy, talaga pong nakakatuwa naman. In December 2023, just a year after, siguro sa dami ng aming nakwentuhan, sa dami ng naniwala sa amin, naniwala sa Atomy products, we were able to finish the challenge for Sharon Rose Master just in 1 year. At iyon po ang gagandahan ng system. Sabi nga natin, that system business, may magic. Kami po, tumalon po kami from sales master to Sharon Rose Master. Totoo po. Actually, my Atomy life began at 60. Senior life na po. No, senior life. So lucky are those, yung mga young ones. May mga kasama tayo na 25, 30, 40. Wow, you have talagang you have long way to go para pa ma-enjoy ang Atomy. Kami po na nasa 60, sabi nga, magkikita-kita rin tayo at the top. Pero kayo ang haba pa ng pwedeng lakbayin. So, when I learned about Atomy, very curious talaga ako. Paano ba ako nagsimula? After attending the Success Academy, pag-uwi ko sa bahay, parang naging habit na yung everyday, talagang makikinig ako maghahanap ako ng article about Atomy. Nagkaroon na ako ng self-study. Kasi ayoko pong umattend ng ODS. Unang-una, malayo kami, medyo nasa Parañaque. So puro online lang po ako, YouTube, ganun. Pero sa Success Academy, perfect attendance po ako. Diyan, no? Talagang life changer po ang Success Academy. So anyway, we have so much access para mapag-aralang mabuti ang Atomy. Sabi ko nga, I listen to Atomy channel, watch YouTube, and I change also yung brand. Nag-start na ako mag-change. I have learned to love Atomy. And I never stop talking about Atomy. Kahit sino yung aking kausap, parang Atomy, puro Atomy. And now, I'm still dreaming. Kahit Sharon Rose Master na po, I'm still dreaming for more success in Atomy. Sabi ko, what will happen to me next year? In the next 2 years, 5 years, 10 years? So, curious ako, what will happen to us? Pero, bakit nga ba ako nag-join ng Atomy? I'm sure kayo din po, ganun. Question yung sarili nyo, bakit nga ba kayo nandito? Bakit kayo nasa Atomy? Ako, when I joined Atomy, when I joined an organization, I always check first, ano bang klaseng organization to? Ano bang business meron sila? Ano bang products do they carry? Ano bang polisiya nila? No? So hindi po basta-basta ang mag-join ng isang organization. You have to select talaga and scrutinize mabuti ang isang organization. So, ang Atomy as a company, kaya na in love ako, is a world-class organization. May big heart for members and their families, and for their employees and partners, the needy ones, and on the environment as well. No? So magandang organization yan. When I joined Atomy, I thought this is a continuation of my job before, of what I was doing before. That Atomy is truly concerned with customers and its partners, and there is always hope that and plan to make a difference in the lives of its members. So yun po ang laging iniisip ni Atomy. Hindi lang po customer satisfaction, but it even goes beyond customer success. No? Satisfied na nga tayo sa ating mga products, sa ating income, pero still, Atomy is sinasabi na customer success ang ultimate goal. No. So in both Korea and the Philippines, the Atomy was awarded the best place to work. And we are a member of DSAP, the Direct Selling Association of the Philippines, which is a prestigious organization na magsasabi kung ang isang company ay legitimate or hindi. Isang criteria ng DSAP is, nagbebenta ba kayo or nagre-recruit lamang? Kumikita lang ba ang organization nyo dahil nagre-recruit lang? Pag tumigil ang pagre-recruit, buhay pa ba ang company? Pero ang Atomy, dahil na-qualify, na-certify na DSAP, we are really a legitimate organization. And ni-recognize nila ang ating dalawang masters, no? We have Sharon Rose Master Julie Ann Value for Entrepreneur of the Year. Yes. And si STM Gian Yun, no? He was also awarded. So that is a big boost for Atomy to be recognized by DISAP. And more so, Atomy is a member of the World Federation of Direct Selling Association. No? So that's very prestigious. And Atomy is going to be the host next year of this big convention in Korea. Ito ay parang isang sumasali, nakikipag-compete sa isang Olympics. Di ba? Mga countries nag-aagawan where they will host, who will host the next Olympic Games. Dito sa World Federation of Direct Selling Association, it was Atomy who was elected na mag-host next year. Yes. Okay, bakit nga ba rin ako na-in-love pa sa Atomy? Of course, nakita ko yung quality ng ating mga products. These are all organic and natural. The price is so absolutely competitive. They are easy to love and share. At sa mga gumagamit, especially my family and my members in our team, lahat including myself, lahat tayo may amazing story, may amazing testimony for our products, di ba? Hindi man natin nagagamit lahat ng products, but merong talagang in love tayo. And ito ang pinakamadaling gamitin sa pag-share ng Atomy, yung ating sariling testimony about the products that we are using. So sample lang po ito ng ilang mga testimonies from our members. No, yung merong na-pure or na-healed, na-alleviate yung ailment nila sa psoriasis, sa arthritis, sa low platelet ng aking apo with hemohim. Talaga pong hindi na siya na-hospitalize. Isang member ko with severe allergies had spent hundreds of pesos para lang hanapin ang solusyon. Hemohim lang pala ang katapat. At even yung ating mga hair products, marami pong amazing stories na nakapagpatubo ng buhok. Sino po dito ang okay po. Yeah. Still, that something lovable, something why you should join Atomy are the plans and policies in place. Diba? Including our marketing and compensation plan, which was thoroughly discussed kanina. Talaga pong nakaka-amaze and you will love that process. The Atomy system, which is already in place, mag-hook up lang tayo at these are the tools for our success. Inheritance policy and culture of sharing. Sa part ng ating compensation, kanina na-discuss ang marketing and compensation, itong Atomy is really giving us very generous compensation, especially on travels. So kami, we personally experienced, we received these 2 travel tickets to Jeju Island, and we had experienced that trip to Jeju just last April 9 to 13. No? So, a very good package from Atomy. There, we had a time to bond with co-SRMs, talagang exclusive for SRMs, and pleasure. Everything is pleasure. Everything is free. The accommodation is so good. Talagang relax ka and puro kasiyahan po. So it was a really good bonding with colleagues at Jeju Island. And of course, we had some sharing. So dito po marami rin kaming natutunan from one another. Another trip, this is the Korea Success Academy in October 2024. Actually, this is given sa Diamond Masters pa lang po. No? So, doon sa mga bagong Diamond Masters, you will be entitled to Korea Success Academy in the next October trip. But this one of ours, this is so memorable and so special for us. Kasi nga po, ang system ng Atomy if you plan it well and you include your family members, ang ganda po ng outcome. This Korea Success Academy for me, for us, is like a family trip. No po, kasi my Diamond Masters, our Diamond Master, mostly came from our families. No? So mostly came for our family. So while my friends ay nandoon sa laylayan ng aking mga anak, ng aking pamangkin, ng aking parang yung trip po namin is nag-family tour kami. So these are the members of my family. Andyan po sila, 8 po kami. 8 po kaming pumunta in one trip. No? So sana makuha nyo rin po. I even have my daughter, doctor who joined me, and she looked at how Atomy works. No, so very happy po kami. Sana maulit pong muli. Yes. And ito naman talaga ang motivation natin sa Atomy, especially the seniors. No, the seniors. Sabi nga sa amin, bakit mo ba ginagawa pa yung Atomy? Tapos ka na, nag-retire ka na, meron ka ng 2 anak na doktor, ang iyong anak na stable na. But meron kaming 5 apo. So yung 5 apo po na yun ang aking iniisip ngayon. Na gusto namin magkaroon ng inheritance sila na Atomy, no? Why the inheritance policy in Atomy is so good? Because your account is transferable up to the 3rd generation. Yes. So you do not get demoted in Atomy as long as you keep your account active. Kahit kaya do not stop doing Atomy. Kahit sales master ka, kahit 10 star master ka, crown master ka, and something happens, maipapas mo ito sa iyong anak or sa iyong mga apo. So you can be with your account as long as you keep them active. How to keep them active? Just purchase 1 product a year. Diba po? So your children and grandchildren will benefit from your residual income. You worked hard, you earned, so give it back to your children or grandchildren. Next is the culture of sharing. The culture of sharing si Atomy is masyadong, in terms of giving back, talagang nandyan palagi si Atomy. So I witnessed in one of the Success Academies, Atomy donating to Compassion International. No, so and we were also able to join the trip to Montalban for the feeding program, and we had seen this Dreamy School. This Dreamy School was donated by Atomy for the poor children in Montalban area. So that's how generous. So it's not just in the Philippines, but in all other Atomy in all other countries where Atomy operates. So my dream also, if you look at this, my dream also is to live a worthy life. That soon, I will be able to give back to the organizations close to our hearts. No, not just sharing with Atomy, but also sharing with these organizations. That I'm sure every one of us has some organizations that we really want to support. So, sabi nga natin, why are we in Atomy? Of course, we want to achieve success. Tama? Yes, you are here because we want to achieve success. My dream, your dream, is how to achieve true success in Atomy. And do you know that Atomy has so much powers ready, available, already given to us to help us find that true success. Ano nga ba yung success in Atomy? No, bakit nga ba tayo nandito? So alamin natin, success in Atomy isn't just about money. No? It's about living a balanced life. Life of living well, loving, learning, and sharing. Alam ba natin yung balanced life? Di ba kanina parang tinanong na rin, ano ba yung ating balanced life? Lagi lang nating isa-isip yung ating company motto. And if we follow that, we are going to achieve a balanced life. Cherish the spirit. Treat your mates, your members as real people. Create that vision. Follow the faith. No? Strengthen your faith. And then serve in humility. Bring back the bacon to your members. And true success is helping others succeed while you are helping yourself grow in Atomy. No? So, hindi lang ikaw, it's your helping others. So, ano ba yung mga powers ni Atomy? Because success is inevitable. Hindi natin maiiwasan ang success. Sa ganda ng sistema ng Atomy, success is inevitable. Just like what happened to us. Ang bilis ng lumampas sa aming goal. No, like when you are a sales master, you normally plan for becoming a diamond, as a Sharon, but because of the Atomy system, because you care for others, because marami kang natulungan, marami kang nagawang sales master, natulungang sales master, ang bilis ng iyong promotion. So, although syempre, dahan-dahan naman natin ulit pag-aaralan ang ating next step. But with Atomy, that power of vision is so strong because our vision gives us the right direction. For without vision, wala tayong patutunguhan. And Atomy's vision is to become a global distribution company, bringing absolute quality and absolute price products to every household. Ang atin bang vision naka-align sa Atomy? Are we just a consumer or do we want to grow big? Or do we want to grow big like another global distribution like Atomy? Kasi dito ang mabilis na promotion. When your personal dream connects with Atomy's vision, you become unstoppable. No? So pag alam mong, wow, it's working, ang aking network is growing big, talagang you will become unstoppable. Another power that Atomy has is the power of product belief. Our products are the backbone of our business. Sabi nga natin sa DISAP kanina, di ba? Kung tayo'y kumikita lang dahil sa pagre-refer, patay, walang backbone ang business. But our products speak for itself, the goodness of the Atomy, ito ang backbone ng ating business. And when you believe in the products, you don't need to sell. Parang kwento ka lang ng kwento. You don't need to sell. You just keep on sharing. Hindi tayo nagbebenta. So, and sabi ko nga kanina, when you share, start with your own experience. Lagi mo sasabihin, yes, ginagamit ko yung product. Ang hirap kayang mag-share kung hindi mo naman ginagamit yung products, di ba? Kailangan gamitin mo yung products. Love it. Love it with all your heart. And then, pag nag-work yan, andaling magkwento. Andaling magkwento. Because your personal story builds credibility more than any brochure can. Kami po sa aming presentation, sa aming mga members, meron kaming mini hub doon where we invite members. Yung aming, we run like a small ODS. We have the company introduction, we have the product introduction. Pero, pagdating sa testimonies, we make sure na personal experiences yung aming sineshare. Kasi alam natin, it comes from your heart. It comes from totoo yung sinasabi natin. Hindi naman tayo siguro gagawa-gawa ng kwento just to convince others, di ba? And then, Atomy has this power of people. Success and Atomy is not a solo journey. It's teamwork. Hindi ka naman mapupromote on your own. Hindi ka naman lalaki kung nag-iisa ka. It's teamwork. You need team, you need members, you need a group to work with. And your success depends on how many people you help to succeed. Hindi sa dami ng taong kasama mo, kung hindi ilan ang gusto kong tulungang mag-succeed. Kailangan, halimbawa ikaw isang leader, alam mo na ang proseso ng Atomy, kailangan meron kang strong people sa left, strong people sa right. Find that quality people who will help you find success. Kasi we rise by lifting others. Hindi naman tayo mapupromote. Sabi nga, kung hindi natin ipopromote yung ating mga members sa baba. And the greatest leaders are those with the biggest are not those with biggest income, but those with greatest heart. Tama po ba? No? So if you are caring to your members, kahit ang laki lang ng income mo, may stuck ka dyan kasi you don't care about your members. So sa Atomy, hindi. We are being trained to work with our members with a heart. Another power, diba? So powerful ang Atomy because the learning systems are already in place. Kanina sinabi natin, nandyan na yung center meetings, Zoom meetings, one-day seminars, all in place. All you have to do is just access them. Every event you attend, nare-recharge yung inyong belief. I'm sure, every time na makarinig kayo, paglabas niyo ng room, you will learn something different. You will learn something new. Kung hindi man bago, medyo bumalik na naalala natin, ay oo nga, kailangan pala kausapin ko ang aking members. Leaders don't skip the system. They live in it. Kahit naman hindi tayo uma-attend ng ganitong face-to-face, still leaders find a way kung paano matututo. Sabi nga ni chairman kanina, study hard, learn more. So the people who learn the system will surely become leaders. Remember, if you stay plugged in, your team stays powered up. Kailangan medyo updated tayo sa lahat ng nangyayari. And then the power of global networking. Diba every one of us has this Atomy platform, personal platform, with this aims to enhance customer satisfaction. This is free from Atomy and it's a powerful tool to grow your business. Yung ating Atomy personal platform po is sobrang generous ni Atomy na binigyan tayo ng libreng platform. Alam niyo po ba ang isang platform, napakamahal pag dinevelop. Minsan nagpa-develop ako ng simple lang, Shopify. Kasi sa aming co-op, gusto kong magbenta ng products ng aking mga members. So, saan ko ilalagay itong mga products? I want to go online. Bumili po ako ng app ng Shopify. I paid 300,000. Ang hirap ilagay ng mga produkto. Ang damit, kailangan picturean mo. I have to hire a photographer to do the good pictures. And then, nung nandoon na po lahat, yung mga pera, ang daming ifa-follow na protocols sa Shopify. And then, naisip ko, paano magbabayad ang mga members? Paano ang mga buyers? So, ang dami ko pang iisipin. Kailangan kong mag-linkage sa mga bangko just to put the payment system in that app. Pero, sa ating Atomy platform business, it's so complete. From ordering, to payment, to distribution, at meron pang dashboard. Ano ba ang performance ng aking business? Napakaganda po. Lahat po ba tayo nakapag-explore na ng ating app? Yes. So talaga pong gamitin po ninyo yan kasi it was given to us free. And you know the good thing, when you invite a member, you are giving that at nabigyan nyo sila ng ID number, isn't it you are also giving them another app, another business? So, ang Atomy, business po ang binibigay sa atin. Buong-buo, may produkto, may sistema, and tayo na lang po ang gagalaw kung paano natin gagamitin para tayo ay maging successful sa Atomy. Power of global business to business. Sabi nga natin, ang app natin is a business platform. Is a business platform. Now, when you give to your other members, you are giving them another business. But nakita niyo po ba doon, ang ating app is present in those different countries, 27 countries that we have. Para tayong binigyan ni Atomy ng 27 different apps. Di po ba? Paglipat mo, another app na naman, another app na naman. That is so expensive for us to do. Parang kay Atomy, libre lang ito. And then, we get connected from business to business. Ang iyong business dito sa Philippines, nakakonect. Like, I have members in Rome, in Germany, in US. Pag nag-link po itong ating businesses, di po ba napakaganda, napakadaling as long as you are using the app. Siyempre po, di ba? Okay, thank you very much po. Of course, we have that power of the 8 steps to success, which I'm not going to discuss here in detail because I know every center should always discuss these 8 steps to success. Not just discuss, but follow them. No, from setting your goal. And the last one that I want to emphasize more is on duplication. On duplication, because sabi nga, this is not a one-man business. You need to duplicate yourself. To grow, you need to duplicate how you are doing the Atomy business. Find that people, find that stars in your team who will help you grow your business. Teach them what you do. And that's real leadership. No? So teach them what you do. We need to have mindset for long-term success because success is not instant. Of course, when you're looking for short-term success, but titingnan nyo rin yung inyong long-term success. And it's a journey. Some quit when they don't see results, but winners stay until it happens. Kayo po ba magkukwit pagka nahirapan sa Atomy? No, continue, keep going. Because with patience, consistency, and faith, this will help you reach your goal. So don't just try Atomy. Commit to Atomy. Sabi nga ni Imperial Master Kim, the moment you think of giving up, everything disappears. Your passion, your energy, your future, and no matter how it gets, you must keep going. So keep going lang, keep going. Success is born from persistence, not from our talents or luck. So, tuloy-tuloy lang po tayo. To achieve success, meron pong dalawang personalities dito. Ang mindset is very critical in achieving success. We have been talking about tamang mindset. But we can take a look at where we are in terms of our mindset. So I have shared here two kinds of mindset. One that is fixed and the other is transition. We will find saan ba talaga dapat tayo to achieve success. So I'm looking here at 4 dimensions, identity, ating sarili. Tingnan natin. Kung ikaw ay may fixed mindset, you define success by personal performance and expertise. Ikaw lang. Successful ka dahil magaling ka. Ikaw lang dahil ikaw lang ang nag-excel. Or, nasa transition mindset ka ba? If you redefine success as enabling others and collective wins. So we should shift from that fixed mindset to transition mindset. Forget the I, myself, but go to the we. Go to the we to enable others, and every win is a collective effort of the group. Next is on risk orientation. Are you avoiding uncertainties? Policy prefers low-risk path? Medyo timid ba tayo? Ayoko. Mahirap yan. Hindi ko kaya yan. Hindi na lang ako mag-join. Sige lang, kayo na lang. Or would you accept calculated risk to unlock transformation? Sige, join ako sa challenge. Kahit mahirap. Sige, join ako sa sa team. Kung ano man ang gagawin ng team, I'm one with you. And soon, may outcome po yung inyong calculated risk. Sa learning orientation, tingnan nyo po, kayo po ba ito? You learn only what is necessary for today's role. Sales master ako, diamond ako, Sharon Rose master ako. Ito na lang ang aking gagawin, no? Or you pursue lifelong learnings to stay relevant and lead change. Hindi, mag-e-explore pa ako. Tuloy-tuloy ang aking learning, tuloy-tuloy ang pagre-research ko. Ano nga ba talaga ang ginagawa ni na Ma'am Arlene? Ano nga ba ang galing, everyday may posting sila I'm an avid fan of Ma'am Arlene's posting because we learn a lot. Hindi mo kailangang ulit-ulitin, but you will learn a lot. Tayo ba nagbubukas ng ating Facebook account and ng Atomy official and see what's going on? Kailangan updated tayo. Maraming postings, maraming sharing, maraming updates. No? So, do not just be contented with what you know as of now. Sabi nga nila, go out of your comfort zone. Hindi nakakahiyang manood ng ginagawa ng iba kung hindi ninyo ginagawa. No? Because that is Atomy, sharing. Kaya nga sila nagpo-post dahil gusto nilang i-share yung kanilang mga achievements. Gusto nilang i-share yung kanilang mga ginagawa na makakatulong sa atin. So just a click. Anyway, mahilig din naman tayong mag-Facebook. So just a click at marami tayong matututunan. The feedback approach. Are you defensive against feedback and sees it as criticism? Or you welcome feedback as a fuel for growth and mastery? Saan po kayo doon? Kayo ba pagka nasabihan na hindi mo na-achieve, dapat yata ganito yung gagawin natin, no? Sa anong comment mo? Ay, wag na. Walk out ka na. Walk out ka na. Or do you welcome feedback? Yes, maganda nga yan. Sige, try natin. No? So, those shift in mindset will bring a lot of help in achieving success. So, fellow Atomians, use all the powers in Atomy with a proper mindset to enjoy your journey to success. We are fully equipped. Just access them because they are all given to us for free. Be inspired with your team. Just have the proper mindset. Hindi tayo pasaway sa ating team. Remember, the success of our partners is also our success. And our success is Atomy's success. So I am grateful to my partners, to my successful business partners. Ito po kami, nung kami ma-promote into Sharon Rose Master, and medyo nadadagdagan na po ang aming mga Diamond and Sales Master. Of course, we want to grow bigger. We want to grow exponentially and succeed together, help others live better lives. My last slide po before I end is I always share this slide is to use your heart to succeed. So ginamitan ko po yung acronym na HEART. Matandaan po natin. H, hone your skills, master your strong skill, and deliver effectively. Alamin mo saan ka ba magaling. master it, deliver it. Kung magaling ka sa product introduction, sige, doon ka. Kung magaling kang mag-influence, mag-explain sa mga tao, doon ka. And deliver it effectively. So hone your skills. Equip yourself. Never stop learning. Sabi nga, study hard. Never stop learning. Embrace the Atomy system. Paulit-ulit po natin ginasabi, embrace the Atomy system. A for action and activity. So hindi lang po tayo salita. Diba? Dapat we need to take action. Do some activities. Do some center activities, group activities sa loob man ng center or sa labas ng center. R, rapport and relationship. Build genuine relationship to your members and sponsors. Hindi tayo plastic. Talagang dapat sincere tayo sa ating mga members. When we help others, do it genuinely. And trust, for T, trust the process. Trust yourself. Win people to trust you. And always talk positive. Iba po ang dating pag positive. Forget about the negative mga feedbacks. Because Atomy is a blessing. Atomy is a heart mission. So, I am grateful again to my business partners and equally grateful to my husband, SRM Nono Bugna, who's here with me. My family and as my sponsors, my cross-line partners, colleagues from different centers who always smile at me. Alam mo, maganda po yung smile. Kanina yung toothpaste natin sa big smile. Ang laki po ng impact if you smile to anyone na nakakasalubong natin because iba po ang impact. So thank you, Atomy Philippines. You made me what I am now. So I am signing off with a grateful heart. Thank you very much. This is Gigi Bugna, Sharon Rose Master from Parañaque Wellness Center.